Welcome to the Finance Club DMS RIT. My name is Chaitanya Vaste. Till now, we have seen different methods and concepts of the share market that can help us to make some profit in the market. In today's video, we will see the difference between a good investment and the bad investment. As we all know, it is risky to invest in the share market, and it's nearly impossible to everyone to study the balance sheet of the company and keep constantly tracking the performance of the company. If we compare the risk factors in terms of the safety, then we will always rank the equity market at the last in comparison with the bank FD and the bond investment. But in terms of the reward, we can rank them exactly in the opposite sequence. With good study and proper knowledge, if we decide to invest, then we can make a successful investment and get unexpected returns from the equity markets. If tracking market is not possible for you, then you can go with the mutual funds, but in this case you are not an actual equity holder. You will get some less returns as compared to the equity markets, but these returns are fixed and with less risk. So if you consider Indian economy is very fastest growing economy, and it is going to be the world's largest economy. If we start investing in top 50 brands, then definitely we will be a part of this growth, and there is a very little chance that these companies will get bankrupt. With small study, you can able to track these all sectors, and some logical thinking will help you to invest in Indian economy, which tends to be an $30 trillion economy. In this part, we have seen the importance of investing and how we can invest with risk-free mindset. So in this way, the good investment will help you to get succeed, and the bad investment will tend you to face the losses. If you like these videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.